Yo, what's up? The vlogs have returned. This is the start of our travel day to the Minnesota, but we're waiting for the donor boner.
The donor boner.
To the Minnesota?
Yeah. He's like 70 miles away, so we're gonna go play some putt-putt before we start our trek to the Minnesota. Mikey did call me the chipping guru. We've arrived. Did you enjoy your time in the car?
Yeah, I slept for about an hour and a half. How long did you sleep?
I didn't sleep.
No?
No. That's a nice shirt.
Thank you. Represent housebowling.com.
You can get it. Link in the description below. Beautiful day in Minnesota. It's raining. Here we go. Oh, stuff.
Oh, that was great. I got you.
I think it was literally one of the best balls of all time.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I didn't think that I was gonna win a ball or win a tournament with anything other than a urethane ball. IQ tour. Bang. Who's the best bowler here? You claiming that title?
I'll play for it.
Alright, high count takes the title today. Right here. You get one shot.
One shot high count?
One shot.
Deal.
You go, everybody go ahead of me, I'll be
Oh, 9. I don't know if that's gonna hold up, bud.
I don't know how that's gonna hold.
Oh! 9 again.
Okay, all right.
Ah, they just don't want it. You got this? You taking them down?
Of course I am.
Supreme confidence.
That's what I do.
My man in the green jersey.
Green jersey?
Yeah.
Not with that jersey.
Oh, throwing shade.
My man's right here has been bowling for what, a year and a half?
Yeah.
He shot 300 already. Oh, that looks close. Oh, he's in the clubhouse with 10.
Oh.
Shaker 5 kicks it out, slaps it out. We gotta have a roll off, right?
Oh my.
Oh.
Ah.
And that's when you tell the camera, that's why you bowl with 2 hands.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Laced.
you'll see Zen Master.
Laced. Oh my god, when you needed it most.
I'm thinking about it.
Definitely.
What's going through your mind right now?
You like it?
Just getting 10 to the pit. That's all I gotta do. I can't worry everything else because I can't control it.
One
I
shot
can't
at a
control
time?
what he does. It's just gotta.
Wait, so what are they doing?
He's a mental juggernaut. Oh, 4-pin action. All right.
Alright.
I mean, he's not dead yet. Yep. What? Stone cold killer. Nice. You know, they said he was the best bowler here. With good reason.
And I can't just say it, I gotta do it.
Yeah, you gotta prove
I
it.
gotta prove it.
Facts. So, how the days go? We have a little clinic in the morning, and then a matchmaker right after that. The rest of us don't really participate in, but we kind of pop out our heads here and there, and then a little Q&A autograph session, and then Pro-Am now. And that's how our next few days are gonna go. We've got some technical difficulties here, so I'm gonna interview my man right here. What's your name?
I'm Teddy.
Teddy. Okay, Teddy, who's your favorite bowler here right now?
Hear you.
That's what I'm talking about. Is there anything you want to say to your fans, your friends, your family?
I'm the first redhead on the channel that'll beat that.
Is he the first redhead? Can we get somebody in the comment section to deny or confirm this? I really don't know.
Best bowler here, apparently, self-proclaimed earlier in this vlog.
Shouldn't be that confident.
No, you've lost that confidence.
7 hours does certain things to you.
It's true. Must have had a bad dinner. I might get 9. Oh my god, okay. It's not so bad. I mean, you gotta have some kind of confidence to be able to run out like that.
Oh yeah.
You feeling better now because I'm here?
It'll probably boost me up, probably.
I understand.
Turn up the summer vibes. Get off your phone one time, would you come outside? Cause we all here chillin'. Yeah, it's the same old saying. No, we don't play no games. Oh, they wanna talk. Why they gotta hate on?
Yeah, I missed it. I still hooked.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we know the game is evolving very quickly. There's a lot of two-handed bowling occurring amongst the young. So I just want to show you guys kind of the spread of players we have here. We have 3 guys right here that are one-handed. Our buddy Gabe right here, he's one-handed. And then a bunch of two-handers over there. They probably make up half the clinic, and Chris is the only two-hander here, so. Alright, buddy, he said if he throws a strike here, he's gonna celebrate real cool. If he doesn't throw a strike, he owes me $100.
So if I don't strike, I get $100, right?
If you do strike, I'll think about it. If you don't, you owe me 100.
Alright. Oh no!
Oh, so close. Pay up, bud. Where's my money? Alright, we're wrapping up the clinic here. We're gonna go on our little break before we come back to the Pro-Am later tonight. Another fun clinic. If we ever have these coming to your area, be sure to check it out. Come down, hang out with us, pick our brains, do the thing. Yeah, let us know in the comments below where you're from, and maybe, you know, Storm will see that, hey, we gotta bring some clinics to your area. Is he gonna strike on his next shot?
I don't know. Sam?
You don't know?
I think I'm sure.
It's 50-50. Give me a yes or a no.
Sure.
That's not very convincing.
Sure. Yes. Sam will strike.
Just says sure again. Sam will strike. All right. What happens if he doesn't strike?
Well, your mom's gonna go get Ryan, and he's gonna harass you.
All right. I'm gonna turn the camera off.
Alright, Sam, you're forgiven. Maybe, okay. You left him hanging. Thank you.
Not getting it at all.
Alright, John.
Oh my god.
John Clinton. Front 11. Are you nervous?
Oh yeah.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
11.
Okay, first of all, before he misses, what's he throwing? That's a dart code. Alright, I'll get that for you, don't worry.
Thank you.
You have the first 11. Have you ever bowled 300?
Yes, I have.
Like a real one?
What do you mean, no tap or at least?
No, like a real 300.
No, I haven't. Only in practice.
Well, dang. Alright, no pressure, but like at least 3 million people are gonna watch this video, alright? So you need to strike here.